Welcome student. Our new topic that is degree of comparison. Myself Anjali Patil, assistant professor of St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel, New Mumbai. So today we are going to discuss about degree of comparison. So comparison of adjective is as equal as adjectives change their form to show comparison. There are three degrees of comparison, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So first we are going to discuss about positive degree. Here you can see what do you mean by positive degree. The positive degree shows an adjective in its a simple form when no comparison is practically done. It means the positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Here are the some example, like first example is Sam is clever. She is beautiful. He is young. In that way, there are so many examples you can see. Okay, that is called as positive degree. It means positive degree shows an adjective in its a simple form. You can see here is no any comparison between two things. Sam is clever. So here is no any comparison. After that, our second degree is comparative degree. So what do you mean by comparative degree? Comparative degree shows a comparatively more or less degree of the same quality of an adjective. It means it is used when two things are compared. So the comparative degree is used when two person or things are compared. Example, Ram is younger than Shyam, or Sim is clever than Sam. This girl is more beautiful than her. It means in these sentences you can see here are a two person or a two things are compared. Here you can see Sim and Sam. These are the two persons and here is the comparison between them. So that is called as a comparative degree. After that, superlative degree. What do you mean by superlative degree? So superlative degree shows the highest or lowest degree of the same quality of an adjective, and it is used when more than two things are compared. It means in the superlative degree, here we use more than two person or things of the same class and they are compared. It means he is youngest in his division. Here we can see, uh, here we use two or more things, like two or more person. It means in this division there are so many students, but he is the youngest in his division. Same like that, he is the cleverest in the class. It means in class there are so many students, but he is the cleverest in the class. And she is most beautiful girl in the village. It means in the village there are so many girls, but she is the most beautiful girl in the village. After that, we can see here are the some rules which are useful when we are solving the degree of comparison. It means generally comparative and superlative are formed by adding ER and EST to the positive. It means पॉजिटिव में कोई भी वर्ड है तो उसे ER और EST ऐड करके हम उसे कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो बोल्ड, बोल्डर, बोल्डेस्ट, ग्रेट, ग्रेटर, ग्रेटेस्ट, स्वीट, स्वीटर, स्वीटेस्ट. It means we can add ER and EST for these degrees. Like comparative, we have to add ER, and for superlative, we have to add EST. So it means it is the first rule to convert the positive degree into comparative or superlative. Now we are moving forward. That is our second rule. When the positive ends in Y, proceed by consonant, the Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. It means in comparative degree we have to ER, and in a superlative degree we have to add EST. But we have to use I before ER and before EST. It means easy convert into easier, easiest. Heavy convert into heavier, heaviest. Wealthy convert into wealthier, wealthiest. It means this Y is converted into comparative IER and into superlative IEST. Okay, is that clear? Now see, that is our second rule. When the positive ends in E, only R and ST are added. Here we can see brave, fine, wise. So in some example, we have to only add ER or EST, like brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest, wise, wiser, wisest. Okay. Now our second rule is when the positive is a word of one syllable and ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, this consonant is double before adding ER and EST. It means here you can see big. So here we can add this double consonant like bigger and biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Simple, simpler, simplest. It means that is also one rule when we are convert the positive degree in comparative or in superlative. Now our second rule is comparative and superlative are formed by adding the vowel more and most or less and less with the positive degree. Here you can see for, former, foremast, much, more, most, little, less, least. So here you can see there are some notes. Note number 1 is saying that the definite article the is always used before the superlative adjective. So here is the one example, the highest, the tallest. It means tallest and highest is the adjective. But in a superlative adjective, we have to add the before this adjective. Note number 2, certain comparative have lost their comparative meaning and are used only at positive, so they cannot be followed by than. They are former, later, upper, elder, inner, outer, utter, hinder. It means it is a comparative words and it is used only as a positive. So there cannot be followed by than, former, than, later ऐसे हम इसे नहीं convert कर सकते. Now note number 3 is the comparative adjective ending in OR or followed by the preposition to, like inferior to, superior to, prior to, senior to, junior to. It means you can see here is the adjective and ending with the OR. So these adjective are followed by the preposition to. It means in adjective के पीछे हमें to add करना होता है, जैसे inferior to, superior to, prior to, senior to, junior to. Okay. Now our next note is note number 4, that is the following 5 Latin comparatives like interior, exterior, major, minor are used only as a positive adjective. So these words we cannot use in a comparative or a superlative. So here are the some interchange of the degrees of comparison. So how to change the degree of comparison of an adjective in a sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. So it is a note number 1. The superlative degree goes in ST, EST, or MOST. So use the definite article the before the superlative adjective. Note number 2, the comparative degree should have more than or er or than and should be followed by any other or most other. So this is the rules for interchange of the degree of comparison. So interchange of the degree of comparison, note number 3 is an unrestricted comparative degree should have most other. It means here is the one example. He is the cleverest boy in the class. So it is a unrestricted superlative degree. So here we can note how it is changed. He is cleverer than any other boy in the class. So this sentence is unrestricted comparative degree. Now here is the note number 4. An unrestricted positive degree should have no other and start the sentence using no other. So it is a restricted positive degree should have very few and start the sentence using very few. So here are the some examples. ये एग्जाम्पल देख के हमें प्रॉपर समझ में आएगा कि कैसे हम पॉजिटिव को सुपरलेटिव और कंपैरेटिव में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वन इज पॉजिटिव. Very few Indian towns are as big as Mumbai. So it convert into superlative. Mumbai is one of the biggest of Indian towns. And in a comparative, Mumbai is bigger than most other Indian towns. Okay, is that clear? Now our second example is in positive. Very few stories are as remarkable as this. In superlative, it is one of the most remarkable story. And in a comparative, it is more remarkable than most other stories. Okay, students. So thank you so much.